The main difference between a call and a put option lies in their purpose. A call option is a contract that allows the buyer to purchase a stock at a set price, known as the strike price, until the contract expires. In contrast, a put option gives the buyer the right to sell a stock at a predetermined price until the contract expires. Both types of options are useful for their respective purposes. A call option is beneficial when expecting a rise in stock prices, while a put option is advantageous when anticipating a decline in prices. In terms of potential gain, a call option offers unlimited potential, as the buyer can purchase the stock at the strike price and sell it at a higher market price, with profits determined by the difference between the market price and the strike and premium prices. On the other hand, the potential gain of a put option is limited, as the stock price cannot decrease to zero, thereby capping the potential gain at the strike price. As a result, call options have an advantage in this category due to their unlimited potential gain. Nevertheless, both options can guarantee profits if the buyer accurately predicts market fluctuations. The market outlook also differs between call and put options. With a call option, the buyer expects the stock price to rise, allowing them to buy the stock at the strike price and sell it at a higher market price. Conversely, with a put option, the buyer anticipates a decline in stock prices, enabling them to sell the stock at the strike price and profit from the price drop. Both options are beneficial, as they allow buyers to profit from anticipated price increases or decreases. Despite their differences, call and put options share some similarities. Both options confer rights without obligations, meaning the buyer is not required to execute the option if there is no significant change in price. Additionally, the risk associated with both options is limited to the amount paid for the contract. Ultimately, the choice between a call and put option depends on the buyer's ability to evaluate the market and anticipate price changes. With accurate market analysis, buyers can profit from both types of options, and they also have the flexibility